How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. So let's get started. Profile view is a feature on TikTok that keeps track of your profile visitors. Now, if that option is not available, here is what you can do it. First of all, you have to open up TikTok and make sure to log into your account. After that, navigate to your profile page. Now, from your profile page, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, if you go to Privacy, there you will have this profile view option right here. But if in your case you are not able to find it out there, that might be because the feature is still not available in your country. So it will take some time to be available in all the regions or all the countries, so you have to wait until that. But if that's not your case and you are in the country where this profile view feature is available but still you are not able to have that, so what you can do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. If your application is missing out any updates, then you might not get this profile view option. So for that, you have to close TikTok and open a Play Store. After you open it up, search for TikTok. If you find an update option, simply tap on update, and once the TikTok application get updated, you can go back to TikTok and check whether the problem is solved or not, or if you are able to have that feature or not. If still not, now you have to uninstall this application. After you uninstall it, simply install it from Google Play Store and log back into your account, and then that may help you to solve the problem. If you are still not able to find the profile view option after you reinstall it, then what you have to do is, so open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you're logged in, and then go to your profile page by tapping on the profile from bottom right corner. Now from your profile page, navigate to top right corner and tap on three-line icon. That will take you to Settings and Privacy page. Now, from Settings and Privacy page, scroll down, and under Cache and Cellular, there is an option as Free Up Space. Tap on it. From here, you have to clear all the cache. So you can clear your download cache and then your cache. After you clear all the cache from here, this will help you to solve the problem. Clearing the cache from your device will remove all the junk file and any bugs in the application. After you do that, now go back, and under Privacy, you will have that option as Profile View. You can simply turn that on to use the Profile View feature in TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.